If you're tired of complicated AI tools that promise everything, but end up wasting your time, this might actually surprise you. I tested Clever AI Studio Xtreme Edition myself, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what it does, where it works, and where it doesn't. Let's be real, most people struggle with too many AI tools doing one small thing each: expensive monthly subscriptions, complicated interfaces, content that still feels robotic, and worst of all, you spend hours trying to figure things out instead of actually making money or growing your content. What you really want is simple. One tool that does multiple AI tasks: fast content creation, videos, text, graphics, beginner-friendly dashboard, something that actually saves time. That's where Clever AI Studio Xtreme Edition comes in. It's basically an all-in-one AI content creation suite designed for marketers, content creators, affiliate marketers, beginners. Here's what stood out when I tested it. Multiple AI tools inside one dashboard focus on content creation plus automation, designed for non-tech users. One-time pricing, not subscription-heavy. This is important, because most tools today lock features behind monthly paywalls. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. Log in to dashboard. Step 2. Choose tool, content, video, copy, etc. Step 3. Enter prompt or idea. Step 4. Generate output. For example, I tested it by creating YouTube video script, short-form content, basic marketing copy, and honestly, the output was decent, especially for quick drafts. Not perfect, but definitely usable. From what I saw, the sales page shows multiple use cases, demo videos, highlight automation workflows. Some YouTube reviewers mention time-saving benefits. It's positioned as a beginner-friendly AI suite, but here's the truth. You still need to tweak the content slightly to make it sound human. What I liked: saves time on content creation, easy-to-use interface, multiple tools in one place, good for beginners. Let's be honest here. Output isn't 100% perfect. Advanced users may want more control. Some features feel similar to existing AI tools, so this is not magic, it's a tool. At the time of this video, it's available for a one-time price, no heavy recurring fees. Big advantage: always check the latest price. Link in description. Compared to other AI tools, these premium tools, right pointing arrow, cheaper, but less advanced versus free tools, right pointing arrow, more structured and faster versus multiple tools, right pointing arrow, more convenient. Buy this if you're a beginner, you want an all-in-one tool, you create content regularly, you don't want monthly subscriptions. Skip this if you need highly advanced AI customization, you already use premium AI tools. So here's my honest opinion. Clever AI Studio Xtreme Edition is a solid beginner-friendly tool. It won't replace everything, but it can speed up your workflow and help you get started faster. If you want to check it out or see the latest offer, check the link in the description. I've also included bonuses, extra resources, and updates if anything changes.